At GORE, we know a thing or two about outdoor protection. And did you know that doesn't just go for clothing? After all, your customers need their devices up and running. Your customer's business depends on 24/7, 365 availability. Your customers expect performance, whatever the weather. And they can't afford to wait for the sea to calm down. For your customers, there are no excuses, but there is a solution. With GORE Protective Vents, there are no bad conditions. GORE Protective Vents reliably shield your electronic parts from dirt, dust, condensation, humidity, and water. So what are you waiting for? Give your customers what they want. Less costly downtime, and greater product longevity. GORE Protective Vents for outdoor electronics. Experience reliability. Talk to us about giving your outdoor electronics that extra layer of protection.